In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add duration in Smartsheet step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Adding duration is essential if you're managing projects, timelines, or task schedules and want Smartsheet to automatically calculate start and end dates. We'll walk through everything slowly so you can follow along without missing anything. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and select the sheet where you want to add duration. Make sure you are in Table or Grid View because this is where you manage columns and settings. Once your sheet is open, look at the top menu and click on the Settings option. This is where Smartsheet allows you to control columns, dependencies, and project settings. Next, click on Select a column. This option lets you choose which column you want to modify or where you want to add a new one. If you don't already have the required columns, don't worry because we're going to add them now. Click on Add New Column. This will open the column settings panel. Now, repeat this process by clicking Select a Column again and then clicking Add New Column. You'll typically need columns like start date, end date, and duration for Smartsheet to calculate timelines correctly. Make sure each column is added in the correct order so everything works smoothly. Once again, click on Select a Column and then click Add New Column. This step ensures that all the necessary columns are in place before enabling dependencies. Smartsheet relies on these columns to calculate durations properly, so don't skip this part. Now comes an important step. Turn on dependencies. This is what allows Smartsheet to connect start dates, end dates, and duration automatically. When dependencies are enabled, Smartsheet knows how tasks relate to each other and can calculate timelines based on your inputs. After dependencies are turned on, click on Add New Column again. Select the appropriate column type for duration. Make sure the column is set to duration, not text or numbers. This is crucial because only the duration column will allow Smartsheet to calculate time correctly. Next, click on Column 2 or the next available column where you want duration to appear. Then click Add New Column once more if needed. Repeat this process for Column 3 or any other columns required for your project setup. Once all columns are added and set correctly, review your setup carefully. Check that your start date, end date, and duration columns are properly assigned and aligned. When everything looks good, click Apply. Smartsheet will now activate the duration functionality across your sheet. At this point, you can start entering durations for your tasks, and Smartsheet will automatically calculate dates based on your project settings. This makes managing timelines much faster and more accurate. And that's it. You've successfully added duration in Smartsheet. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.